In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set due dates in Monday.com. To get started, log into your Monday.com account and head to the workspace where you manage your projects. Once you're inside, open the board that contains the tasks or items you want to update. This is the board where your team tracks progress, deadlines, and day-to-day work. So it's important to make sure you're in the right place before making any changes. Next, check that your board includes a date column. This is the column used to assign deadlines and keep everything organized. If the date column is already there, you're ready to move on. Having due dates in this column makes it easier to see what's coming up and helps everyone stay aligned on timing. Now, find the specific task or item that you want to assign a due date to. Take a moment to locate the correct row, especially if your board has a lot of entries. Once you've found the item, click the cell in the date column for that task. This will open the calendar picker, which lets you choose a date quickly and accurately. From the calendar, select the due date you want to assign. Be sure to choose the date that matches your project timeline so the task reflects the correct deadline. After selecting the date, confirm it if needed. Once confirmed, the chosen date will appear in the date column for that item. If you have more than one task to update, simply repeat the same process for each additional item. Open the date cell, choose the appropriate day from the calendar, and confirm it. This is a simple way to keep your board current and make sure every task has a clear deadline attached to it. After you've entered the dates, review the date column carefully to verify that everything has been assigned correctly. This final check is helpful because it allows you to catch mistakes right away, such as selecting the wrong day or updating the wrong task. As your project evolves, remember to update due dates whenever timelines change. Keeping deadlines accurate is essential for maintaining a reliable workflow and helping your team stay on track. That's all there is to it. You now know how to set due dates in Monday.com and keep your tasks organized more effectively. Thanks for watching.